Hello everyone. Welcome to the second episode of Mastering Grafana Report Automation with Skedler. As promised, in this video, we will talk about how to connect your Grafana with Skedler in order to create your first report. We'll go to the Skedler UI and go to the data source section present in the left panel. Once inside the data source section, click on the Create Data Source button present on the top right corner of your screen. Choose between Kibana and Grafana. For this demonstration, I will show you how I have configured my Grafana. I have started by giving a connection name and a Grafana URL. To find your Grafana URL, go to your Grafana and here you will find your Grafana URL. Take it till the slash. Copy this URL and paste it here. If you are using SSL verification, toggle it to yes. Now let's talk about enabling authentication. Skedler provides two login types. The basic login, where you can provide your Grafana username and password. Otherwise, you can provide an API key. Now, how to get an API key? Go to your Grafana. There's an option called Settings API Key. Inside the Settings API Key, add an API key. Please note it should have an admin privilege. Once you have created your API key, supply it over here and test it. If you only intend to create PDF report, the connection is set for now. You can go ahead with save and test. If you also want to create out Excel and CSV reports, you need to map your database with it. Skedler will pre-populate all the databases that are connected to your Grafana. And if you want to create out reports, the Excel reports from your Prometheus, simply connect it by supplying a password. You can see I have connected my InfluxDB and Prometheus for the demonstration purposes. Once you are happy with the configuration, click on Save and Test and you will receive a success message that your data source is created or updated successfully. Once it's done, you are all set to create reports. In the next video, we will show you step by step how to create out your first dashboard snapshot report from Skedler. Till then, stay tuned and thank you for watching.